Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach class 8D. It so happened, chapter 4, The Treasure Within. I think you have written all these word meanings in your copies, so I'll switch on to the chapter. Now we will start page 27 today. I read a book and I can remember the matter as a photograph, but not through my mind. That is how it works. Now he is telling, Hafiz contractor is telling that I read a book and I can remember the matters as a photograph but not through my mind. He can only remember the things with the photographs and not through his mind. That is how it works. That means he doesn't remembers anything in his mind. When you were in school and you were doing badly, did the teacher pull you up and how did you feel? Now Bela Raja is asking him the question, when you were in school and you were doing badly, means you were failing in the exams or not doing homework or anything, did the teacher pull you up, gave you punishment, and how did you feel? And at that time how did you feel? Now I never get felt anything on being pulled up. I used to be so interested in playing. I would receive a caning every week. Now Hafiz contractor is telling, I never felt anything on being pulled up, means given punishment. He never felt anything. He used to be so interested in playing that I would receive a caning every week. Now he was so much interested in playing, and so he would forget everything. Now he would receive caning every day. Caning, a very thin stick. With that he used to get beaten every week. Now, Bela Raja, when you knew that you had incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly, when you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind? Now, Bela Raja is asking him the question, when you knew that you had incurred the wrath of your teacher, means made your teacher very angry, furious. That means incurred the wrath of your teacher by not doing your homework or by behaving badly. Then what, when you knew you would get a caning, what was the state of your mind? Now she is telling, then what was the state of your mind when you knew that you would get a caning and punishment? Hafiz contractor, state of mind, just lift up the hand and they would cane you. It would hurt badly and then it would have to forget about it. Now I would have to forget about it because I would want to go and play. Now he's telling that state of mind, just lift up the hand. He used to lift up his hand and they would cane him, and if it would hurt badly and then it hurt him badly and then he would have to forget. Now he used to forget it about it because he would want to go to play. Now Bela Raja, you never felt insecure or threatened? Now again Bela Raja is asking him a question, that you never felt insecure or threatened, means getting threatening about beating. All right. Now if Hafiz contractor, it was just I was just interested in playing and nothing else. I was most interested in funny pranks. Now, funny pranks means funny jokes. One day I did not start want to study, so I created a distraction. Now he's telling, I was just interested in playing, nothing else. I was most interested in funny jokes. One day I did not want to study, he did not want to study, so he created a distraction, disturbance. For one whole hour we played chore police, and he's telling that for whole hour we played chore police. Every Saturday we were allowed to go into town to see a movies. So what I would do was have no lunch and collect money from 40-50 students and run and buy the tickets. Now what did he do? Every week they were allowed to go into the town to see the movie, so he would collect money from would have no lunch. Without having lunch he would collect money and from 40-50 student and ran buying the tickets. On my way back I would eat to my heart's content, and he used to go and buy the tickets. After, when he returned to the hostel, he would eat his heart's content, means he would fill his stomach as much as he wanted. I used to be the leader of the gang. He used to be the leader of the gang. The gang is a group of robbers, but here it has been used for the children. I used to be the leader of the gang. We should have gang fights and planned strategies. They would have gang fights and planned strategies, how to fight, the methods, how to do it. These things used to interest more than any academic. These things interested him more than academics. Now, students used to book my textbooks for the following year. Now, student used to book his textbook for the following year because they were almost brand new. I probably opened them one day before exam. Now he's telling student used to buy his book his book the following year because they were brand new, because he probably opened it just before one day before the exams. Up till here only for today.